If you want to organize the photos in this iCloud service, you may need a computer to make a backup of them. Frankly, it's a piece of cake for you to download iCloud photos to PC in different ways, and some of the methods can also meet your diverse needs. Part 1. Download photos from iCloud to PC via iCloud.com. With iCloud Web, you can view and select photos that have been backed up before downloading them from the website. Part 2. Download photos from iCloud to PC via iCloud for Windows. iCloud for Windows has the magic of making you download iCloud photos to your computer when you upload photos to iCloud. Copy the pics to a different folder or move them to an external hard drive to establish an extra backup. Part 3. Download all iCloud photos to PC via Apple Privacy website. If you have tons of photos stored in iCloud Photos, the online data and privacy website is helpful for getting all of them without limits. By the same token, you can obtain other items like contacts, documents, bookmarks, and more. Part 4. Download iCloud photos to PC selectively. Do you want to download all the photos from iCloud in one go, especially if they are more than 1,000? Would you want to filter the items before downloading? iCloud Photos won't download to PC? Try the convenient tool Mobican Doctor for iOS. Select Recover from iCloud and enter your Apple ID and password. Choose the file types you want to find. In terms of this topic, select Photos and tap Next. Afterward, all your synced images will soon be downloaded. Press the Photos tab from the left window. Next, preview the pics in your iCloud backup and click Recover to Computer to save them to your computer. Extra, download iCloud photos to iPhone directly. Go to Settings, Photos, and Camera. Enable the iCloud Photos library option. iCloud photos will be accessible on your phone. When downloading the photos, disable the iCloud Photo Library. From the Photos and Camera settings,